final quarter of the year, BMW experienced substantial growth. This surge helped BMW secure the title of the top luxury car brand in the US for 2024. Despite facing stiff competition, BMW's strategies have resonated well with consumers. The brand's innovative models have attracted a diverse clientele. Key factors include advancements in technology and sustainability initiatives. Dealerships reported increased foot traffic and higher test drive requests. At the same time, competitors are scaling their offerings to maintain market presence. This competitive environment drives both innovation and customer engagement in the industry. As we move into 2024, BMW looks poised to continue its momentum in sales. Stay tuned for exciting new models and developments from BMW in the upcoming year.